A lot of eyes are on the sky this 4th of July, Trey. What will it look like this evening when it comes to fireworks?
Well, Erica, I think especially from the city south, there are likely going to still be some thunderstorms ongoing. The better chance for drier conditions, the northern half of our forecast area, north of the Pittsburgh metro as we head into the evening and overnight hours. Temperatures, at least, we are cooling down from the 90s. We had another day up at 92 today, but now temperatures will be dropping down into the lower 70s. Widespread thunderstorms anticipated this evening with that coverage dropping back later tonight. Let's go full screen now and take a closer look at the Doppler radar because we have multiple areas that are under severe thunderstorm warnings, all of our area under a severe thunderstorm watch. And really what we're starting to see now is a lot of this activity coalesce from the I-70 corridor down to the south. And I'm really watching a new cell that's really starting to spring up over eastern portions of Washington County. You see that intense burst of lightning there, over 500 strokes of cloud to ground lightning in between Washington and Menneson. That is a storm that is growing upwards now, some of the tops approaching 45 to 50,000 feet. And the reason why I'm concerned about this cell here is that once it grows up, eventually it's going to collapse. And so there's an increasing potential for significant damaging winds, what we call a microburst, to occur somewhere between Washington and Menneson around the Bentleyville area. So if you're in that area, make sure you're respecting that severe thunderstorm warning that is currently active. In addition to the severe weather threat, very heavy rain as well. Doppler radar showing pockets in here, especially where you have the pinks and purples, upwards of 3 to 4 inch per hour rainfall rates occurring from Ligonier back west toward areas south of Greensburg, south of Route 22, and then that extends back into pockets of Washington County and a very hefty cell there just to the east of Waynesburg that could also be carrying a microburst wind threat. So the storms this afternoon have produced heavy rain already. We've seen pockets of upwards of 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rain, and this is just going to fill in from there where we have storms ongoing. And then in addition to that, damaging winds as well. Numerous reports of trees down, power lines down across our area over the last 24 hours. So I think the highest chance for storms over the next couple of hours will gradually shift to the south toward the I-70 and I-68 corridors. That's where we have a lot of fuel remaining for those storms. And once we get past the midnight hour, pretty much all of this dissipates across our area. We start out Sunday partly cloudy, and then as we heat up by early afternoon, I think between noon and 2 p.m., thunderstorms are going to redevelop, and these will be widespread as well. Slow-moving thunderstorms with the potential of very heavy rain as we head into Sunday afternoon and evening. Sunday's temperature 85 degrees. Monday, we do it again. We start out dry in the morning and then scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms expected in the afternoon with highs in the lower 80s. Rainfall amounts over the next couple of days are going to range anywhere between 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches for most areas, but there will be pockets that receive upwards of 3 inches or more of rain. Isolated spots, it's very difficult to pin down where these occur, but we could certainly see some localized flooding issues as we head into the next several days. And again, our pattern is going to remain active. We get a little bit of a break toward Tuesday night through Wednesday night with lower chances for rain, and then we'll see those chances jump back up toward the middle to end of next week. So first alert out for tomorrow's thunderstorm threat with the potential of flash flooding as well. We'll have to see how that evolves as we head into the day Monday with additional storm chances. Scattered showers as we head into Tuesday, drying up on Wednesday after some morning fog before more storms toward the end of the week.